Frappe Framework Review. Is this ERP worth it? So what is Frappe Framework? The Frappe Framework is a full-stack web application framework built in Python and JavaScript. It's the backbone of ERP Next, but you can also use it to build custom business apps. It offers modules for accounting, HR, and CRM, inventory, manufacturing, and more, making it a flexible ERP choice for small to mid-sized business. Here's what Frappe offers: modular ERP system with dozens of built-in apps, custom app development without starting from scratch, role-based permissions for secure access control, REST API support for integrations, an active open source community with regular updates. It's web-based, so you can run it on your own server or using Frappe Cloud. And now here are the pros and cons. Its pros include being completely open source, no licensing fees, highly customizable for unique workflows, and a strong community and ecosystem. However, it requires technical expertise to set up and maintain. It can be overkill for very small teams or simple use cases. Its performance may depend on your hosting environment. So is the Frappe Framework ERP worth it? Yes, if you want a flexible open source ERP that you can fully control and customize, it's a fantastic option. But be ready to invest in setup and development expertise. And that's been an honest review of Frappe Framework.